What could you learn from someone who has taken more than 80 cruises? While sailing on the Mardi Gras, we met two cruisers who have spent the last 5 years seeing the world by ship, and between them have taken more than 80 cruises. So we had to ask them, what keeps bringing you back to cruising? What have you learned along the way? Let's meet them.
Hi, everybody.
Hi.
Hey. I am here with Robin and Trish, and we met them, Irving and I met them on the ship on, Monday, whatever day it was, days ago. So I don't know what day today is. Today's Friday.
We met on Sunday. We met the first day.
We did meet on the first day? We did?
Yeah,
Okay.
not the debarkation day, the next day.
Okay. And so we have been embarkation. We have been hanging out with them for several days, and we have learned a lot from both of them. They have cruised collectively how many times? How many times, Robin, have you?
46.
46.
I'm 41.
Okay. So tell us.
Only Carnival.
And only Carnival. And so what is it about Carnival that you guys like?
I like the diversity.
Okay.
And I like
Diversity in what, though? Like, that could be lots of things.
People.
and the people, where everybody's from. They're from different places. You have black people, you have white people, you have brown people, you have, Indian people. We have everybody.
Right.
And everybody gets along.
Correct.
So I like that. I like that I don't have to dress up to go to dinner if I don't want to.
Right.
I like meeting and talking to people and the workers. The workers on Carnival are amazing.
Right.
I would cruise I cruise a lot by myself, so I would cruise just to hang out with them.
Okay. And you? Are you just a tag along?
I'm a tag along this time. I enjoy the same thing as her, but I enjoy hanging out in my room or being out around people, drinking, gambling.
Oh yeah.
I can have quiet time, I can have fun time, I can party.
Okay, so we are new to cruising. What would you suggest for people like us to do? Like, what are the things that, like, first-time cruisers could get, like, big benefits from?
I say get involved in the stuff that's going on. There's so many different, there's trivia, there's anything that you want to do, you can find something to do. Always. You don't have to be bored, or you can do nothing, which is wonderful in itself.
And talk to everybody.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, you do. We've met, several people.
Yeah. Socialize.
But you
That's
can
the
be as
best part of
happy
cruising.
as you want to be, or you can find yourself miserable. If that's inside of you, then you're still going to be miserable.
Cruise is what you make it.
Yeah.
So what about
That's what I
the
was
ports? Out of 40-something times, what are your favorite ports? Or do you not have a favorite port? Or is it about the ship?
It's about the ship now, but I love Cozumel.
Okay.
That we do get off the ship in Cozumel.
Right, okay.
I love Macon's Bay,
Where, I don't know.
St. Thomas.
St. Thomas.
Is Macon's Bay in St. Thomas?
Yes.
Is that what you're saying? Okay.
So we like St. Thomas. We love St. Martin.
Okay.
We go to Bajo Beach.
Watch the
planes
airplanes.
come in.
Oh, right.
That's
Okay.
people away.
That's
Right.
a free excursion.
Yeah.
Right, okay.
All you gotta do is get there.
Okay.
Yep. So we love St. Martin. We love St. Thomas. We love Cozumel. The rest we probably just hang out on the ship.
Okay.
I love hanging out on the ship.
So do you always go into Port Canaveral, or do you go to Miami, or I think
I'll go out of whichever one gives me the best deal. They don't like Miami. Port
I don't
Canaveral.
like to have to fly. We usually drive to wherever
I
we're
don't.
going out of.
Right.
Port Canaveral's the easiest
That is true.
embarkation and debarkation port there is,
Okay.
in my opinion, and I've been out of a lot of them.
Okay.
So
What do you think makes it easy? Because we've been now.
It's
Port
organized.
Canaveral.
It's organized.
It's organized. And they make people follow the rules.
yeah,
Oh.
If they say your
Now-
time is for check-in 10:30 to 11:30, whatever, they make people wait until 10:30 to check in.
which makes it a
versus-
smooth process.
Okay.
Versus just letting the crowd come in,
Yeah.
Okay.
which is not a smooth process.
Now,
Yeah.
we were in Miami and it
backs
was a
everything
little
up.
chaotic.
Yeah,
So what do you guys think about the food? Because there's so many places to eat.
there's so many places on the Excel class that are included.
That's
Right.
another
Oh,
thing
yeah.
about telling new people, go to the restaurant.
Right. Yeah, we
Because
did that because you guys said that.
So many people will just go to the Lido and then, not enjoy the food. Well, it's a golden corral,
Right.
in the,
Right.
The restaurant, the dining room,
to the
sometimes it takes a
restaurants
little
and-
longer,
yeah.
but the food,
but that's an
Yeah,
experience. That's
yeah.
fun,
But that's it. That's all I have to say.
Is that
Yeah.
So why cruise?
It's
why cruise?
It's the best bang for your buck.
It is. It is.
There's so much included, and it's so much cheaper.
We used to go to the beach every year, rent a place, and it costed at least 3 times the amount that we pay for a cruise. And I was cooking, I was cleaning, I had to go, not just me, but I had to go grocery shop, and we had to find things to be entertained by.
Was this when
With
the kids were
this-
like younger?
Yeah. But this, you get on here,
You don't have to lift a finger. Yeah.
Right now. I mean, we
I
haven't
think it's
lifted
better
it.
for your money. And you can be as bougie or as laid back as you want.
Right. No, it's very friendly. I mean, everybody, the workers are friendly people.
Everybody will not be as friendly tomorrow, just so you know.
Who are you talking about?
Passengers.
We have an early,
Debarkation.
like 6:45. Yeah, we carry our luggage.
Carry our luggage.
So,
Did you put your luggage out the night
I'm
before?
not ready that. We only have one. We have a piece in a backpack.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, that's all the kids are ever allowed. If you can't carry it, you can't take it.
Good for you.
No, I'm not carrying it.